Pagadian. Moabre di ay na ang wings sa aeroplano pag mo naog nag ulan man diri.
Alo.
It's raining, baby. It's raining. It's raining. So that's why it's what's cloudy over there.
Well, cloudy to me kung lagi.
Now di ay we are now in Pagadian City International Airport.
No, di siya.
Oh, di ba ni international?
Dili ka.
Oh, dili di ay sorry guys.
Everyone, we have just landed at the Pagadian Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened
Okay.
and the cabin turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Also, voice communication with the use of mobile phone is prohibited while the cabin doors